Welcome to the Bugatti La Voiture Noire factory, where every detail is a masterpiece of precision engineering. Inside the atelier, the La Voiture Noire takes shape, a masterpiece built by hand, where every fibre matters.
All materials verified against specifications.
The engine is clear for assembly.
The symmetry on the rear haunch still needs adjustment here.
Let me check the profile gauge reading again.
The structural analysis confirms the monocoque integrity.
And the CFD results are finally green across the board.
Finalize the validation. Excellent work.
Clear the rails, slowly now.
Confirmed. Cycle initialized. Pressure holding steady at 7 bar.
Status update on the fluid connections.
Verification complete. Module reports nominal pressure.
Ready for lift sequence.
Clear on the left side, keep lowering slowly.
Confirmed. Alignment looks perfect. Ready for torque.
Approaching the 80-degree set point now.
Good, the dwell cycle timer is active.
Sequence check initiated. Align module to firewall. Torque fasteners to specification. Wiring harnesses confirmed.
Okay, lowering it into the rails. Watch the laser guide.
It's aligned. Go ahead and secure the front bolts.
Start sequence initiated. Oil pressure stabilizing now.
Confirmed. RPMs are steady. Calibration is nominal. Injector timing adjusted. Monitoring bank 2 thermal.
Stable readings here. Vibration delta is negligible. We have validation.
Humidity levels remain stable inside.
Zero ingress confirmed across all sensors.
Running final diagnostics on the powertrain. All parameters stable.
We have a green light across the board. Verification complete.
Titanium component serial confirmed.
Checkpoint 4B, finalizing now.
The validation is complete.
Scanning complete on the main fixture.
Acknowledged. I've tagged the secondary mold.
All right, slowly tracking right.
Let's shift that rim light up just a few degrees.
Holding steady on the exposure, looks perfect.
The stress visualization confirms the monocoque integrity at this junction. We need to integrate this data point.
Captured. The thermal load metrics are updating now.
The final digital confirmation is complete.
And the physical records are secured.
Project closure confirmed.
The monocoque design utilized a precise layup schedule. We successfully managed the heat expansion between the
All telemetry is stable and verified.
Confirming external custody handover.
Cross-checking the chassis number now.
matches the build record, confirming.
Apply the digital seal.
Note the design of the cooling intakes, optimized for aerodynamic flow.
And here, the specific sequence for accessing the cockpit maintenance points.
The monocoque structure is entirely handcrafted from this high-grade carbon fiber.
Notice the precision of the weave, every strand aligned perfectly.
Reviewing the final certificates now, everything aligns.
Acknowledged. The biometric confirmation is successful.
The titanium fasteners held up well under peak load.
Agreed. The stress maps confirm minimal deformation.
Yeah.
What about the carbon weave tolerance?
The La Voiture Noire project pushed our boundaries in aluminum construction.
Agreed. The next iteration.
The audit is complete. All data verified.
Secure the containers.